Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Wall of Hype. My name is Orlando, and in today's video, we've got a jam-packed lineup of this week's customs that you don't want to miss. But before I start, please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy what we are doing. We'd appreciate your love and support to the channel. Our first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get started. Here we have an Air Jordan 1 Mid SE metallic gold shoe. I personally have a pair of these. When I saw this shoe, I thought it was a remake or a new a colorway that was going to get released. Now, this is from designer Jar Customs. The design is a San Francisco 49 colorway custom. Just got to look at the two. This is simple as it gets, but the design or the color block on just adding the red changed this shoe entirely. Now, he also did the tongue. Look at that. So we have those two colors. It's just a simple block again with the added tongue. Just a clean look. Next up, we have, everyone should know what this one is. We have the Cobra Kai Customs from designer SQ Customs. Now, the shoe customized is an Adidas running shoe. And this, has anybody watched season 3 yet? January 2nd, sat through, watched the entire thing. Huge fan of Karate Kid growing up as a kid. And this Netflix series is a spin-off of that, and it was released a few years back on YouTube, but now it's on Netflix. And as you can see in this design, we have the Cobra Kai logo, and then we have the icon of strike first, strike hard, no mercy. Lines are clean. Curious to know if it was done by stencil, but if this was done freehand, congratulations, girl. This is a beautiful shoe, and what tops this off for me, even though I would prefer to see a black belt, the yellow shoelace that's created like karate belts, it's icing on the cake. So well done with this custom. I wish there were more images of the shoe 360. From what I understand, this was a personal project of SQ Customs, and I'm hoping we can see something more from her soon on this one. For our final shoe, we have customizer Coda Customs created the Nike GD Bear. Now, this is a Nike Vapor Low 360 cleats. This resembles the Nike SB Dunk Grateful Dead. Now, for some of you guys who don't know, the Grateful Dead was just released at the end of last year. We can take a look at some of those real quick. This is from Soul Collector. This was the orange SB Dunk. I'm sure you guys seen this. Here goes the yellow. And then here goes the green. The idea was to create for the Los Angeles Rams NFL player, Samson Ibuka. I'm curious to know if he wore this on the field. I haven't even checked. I just saw the shoe, but you can just tell by looking at these details. Now, in one of my other videos, you guys saw what a Nike Vapor Low 360 cleat looked like. Now this shoe, you can look at those details. This is probably all hand cut, created using plush material. It's just a clean and beautiful design to a football cleat, especially in the blue and gold colors of the Los Angeles Rams. Well, that's it for this week's video. Comment below and let us know which one of these talented artists or custom kicks is your favorite design. There are tons of customizers posting each and every week, and we'd love to try and showcase them all. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and see you in our next video from Wall of Hype.